Hi guys, this is Chris with MarketingSCM.com. Welcome back to another great video. Today I'm gonna show you how you can use this app and you can earn money by walking, jogging, exercising, even sleeping. You're gonna get money for this. Stick with me. We're gonna start the video in just a second. If you just landed on my page, this is your first video, make sure you go ahead and click the subscribe button on the right side. It will be a great honor to have you on my side. It will mean a lot to me. I'm learning a lot from you as well. So go ahead, click the subscribe button, and next to it there's a bell notification. Make sure you click that so you can receive a notification when I release videos for you every single day, just how you can make money with Freeway. So with no further ado guys, let me go ahead and start today's video. The website I'm going to talk about today is called myachievement.com. You can get the link from below as always. And what myachievement.com does, you can sign up, download the app, and you can see we seriously pay you to track your steps. We pay you by PayPal or direct deposits, which is always very nice to have an alternative option to get paid for doing healthy things. You can earn for tracking your steps, sleep, meals, tweets, and more. It's free to sign up. You can click here to start, and let me scroll down a little bit to see. My sister told me about it. It seemed too good to be true at first, but when she said that she already received 20 bucks, I signed up. It was so easy, and monetary motivation really encouraged me to get up and get moving. This is coming from Estella, 30 years old from Michigan. Now let me scroll a little bit down. What I like and what I look usually on these things is like over 1.5 million members are getting paid already. So we're talking about a lot of people using it. It's something legit and money comes in. Yeah. And as you can see, there is a lot of different apps that you are able to connect. So you can connect over 30 plus Android or iOS apps, and we will reward you with points for activities such as walking, meditating, logging food, sleeping, tweeting, answering surveys, or opting into a challenge. Apps we connect with include, and there's a variety here with the different apps that you can download. Now how this works, based on the things you do, you're getting points on the variety different steps. You're gonna getting different points based on the activity you do. So far we paid out over $500,000 to our member. There is no limit on how much you can earn. Earn $10 for every 10,000 points. Rewards are paid out within 3 to 7 business days, and achievers can redeem cash directly into their PayPal or bank account of their choice. And here's a screenshot on how you can go ahead and redeem your points. Guys, this is really good. I really enjoy this. It's something a lot of people are doing it, and it's very easy. It also gives you motivation to exercise. It will boost you up. The days you don't feel like exercising or do your walk, your jog, if you're thinking to eat something that is not healthy and you're trying to be on a diet, it will help you a lot. So you are winning in two ways as well. Health-wise, because you're going to be looking after yourself, and you're going to be doing something, you're going to be feel good, and you're going to get points and money for it. Sounds good, yeah? That's why there is over 1.5 million members getting paid doing just that. So go ahead, click the link below, myachievement.com. Download the apps, connect whatever you feel on the ones that you would like to start with. You can try several of them, why not? And give it a shot. Start making some points and even for actual money. That's where we're interested. Give it a shot. It's gonna make you some money. It's not gonna make you rich overnight. Now, if you want to see my #1 recommendation on how you can actually make good passive income from the comfort of your house, my #1 recommendation is below. Click it, give it a shot, and let me know how it works for you. This is what I wanted to show you guys today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Click thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Go ahead and make some money. Thank you guys. Bye-bye. Bye.